To your point, you have a lot of elevation to contend with in some spots of your state. Always a concern when you talk about ice and slipping. Any advice or tips that you would have for somebody who has to be out on the roads and maybe does encounter a little bit of ice?
Number one, ditch the distractions. Even on my way into work this morning, I saw someone looking down at their cell phone the whole time. So yeah, please, number one, stay alert. Also, I'd say tied with number one, slow down. Keep it really slow, 2 hands on the wheel. Again, if you can limit travel to say later in the morning when we have that higher likelihood for a changeover to just rain, please do that. Try to delay travel if at all possible. If you do have that opportunity to telework, that would be amazing. We would really appreciate that. The fewer people out on the roads means, we can get out there and actively treat as it's needed. And that's what we're looking for, is just to get this kind of in the rear view, kind of get our snow legs, so to speak, for this first event. I think this one is probably a good one for us and for everyone around here. Just kind of get used to the fact that winter is here, but also a good time to prepare for future storms as well. Make sure you have your winter car safety kit, that your car is prepared, and that you are ready to go for when we have some bigger snows. It's going to happen further down the road.
Right. I know. I was going to say, nothing like learning is a trial by fire, trial by ice. As somebody who's driven through ice, going 10 to 15 on an interstate, it's okay, because you will get there. It'll just take longer. So hopefully everybody is safe. Best of luck to you and your crews. Alex Leggitt, spokesperson for the Virginia Department of Transportation. Thank you.
Take care.